Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz S430. This is the W220 chassis and how to change the brakes and the brake rotors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to do one corner at a time, so I'm going to jack up the car and remove the wheel. Now that the wheel is off, here's our rotor, our brake, and the caliper. And the first step to get our brake pads out is to remove these two pins, and to do that you're going to either need a screw or a sharp thin object to get it through the hole to knock the pins out. Once the pins are out, the retainer clip is going to come out with it, and now I could remove the brake pads out of the caliper. And now with a Torx T40 socket, I'm going to remove the two bolts that are holding the caliper in place. Once these two bolts are off, the caliper is almost free, but remember there are still the brake line and the parking brake that are still connected to it. So I'm going to grab a box and place the brake caliper right on top of it. Now to remove the rotor, I'm going to use a T27 socket. There's one screw right in the side. You might run into the same problem that I've run into. There's some rust around the hub and the rotor. So I'm going to grab a hammer and slowly tap all the way around, and that should free it up. Installing the new rotor is pretty straightforward. I'm going to start installing in the reverse process, and then I'm going to reinstall the caliper on top to the new rotor. Once the caliper is completely torqued down onto the rotor, I'm going to install the new brake pads. And make sure to get the grease around everywhere on the back end. If you don't, you might have squeaky brakes. When installing your new brake pads, it's going to be a tight push into the caliper because the pistons are still out. So with your old brake pads, you're going to just push the piston back in, and once you have enough space, your brake pad should slide easily in. After the brake pads are in, I'm going to reinstall the retainer clip and the two pins. Just give it a little cleanup and then reinstall the wheel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how easy and simple it is to do the brake job on your Mercedes S-Class. I'm going to do the same on the other three remaining corners. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video has helped you out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.